Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to get multiple users data from token. If you had not seen my previous video you can see that, otherwise you will not understand what I'm doing here. So here we are going to get the multiple users data from the JWT token. So let us start. First I'm going to start my gem server, which is important because I have used my gem MySQL on my Golang project. Okay, let's start it. Okay, my gem server is started, means my database is started. So now open my project with the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so here this is what we have done in our previous video. So if you had not seen my previous video, go and check it, otherwise you will not understand here, because this video is a part of the previous video that we have done. In the previous video what we did was we just sent uh, only one data, only one user data, that is name John Doe, along with our token. But here we are going to add multiple users data like ID or address, etc. Okay, now we're going to learn how to do that. It's very simple. So in the previous video I did not add this because in the previous video it becomes a very long video. So to make it short, I made this video different from the previous video. You know, I made this video a next part of the previous video. That's right, to make the video short. Okay, so let us start now. What we need to do is let us run our uh, let us run using the nodemon. If you don't know about nodemon, then you need to see my previous video again, because I already have told you about this. So we are going to run nodemon, and now we are ready. Now let's go to Thunder client and see the protected API. Here if we see the protected API, then welcome John Doe. Only John Doe we have these details in our token, uh, which we can see here. Only name we have, but today we are going to add additional details in our token, and that should be ID. And ID should be string here because it only allows string. Okay, we cannot put any integer here. This should be string. Okay, otherwise it will show error. And also we are going to put some address, and what we can say, uh, let us say Gosaigaon Assam. This will be our address, and let us save it. And then now if we just only change here, uh, and again we need to go here in the main. Okay, uh, the, but before that let us check it here what we saw. We see only the John Doe, and now we need to change here because we have only John Doe here, that is name. Okay, name, but we are going to add the additional uh, attributes that we have added, that is ID. And what is the another thing that we have added is address. Okay, and that is address here, and let us add it here, plus it is ID. Okay, plus what is the ID, and then plus, and this is what, address, and will be address. Okay, now for just your confirmation, let us check it here what it shows again. Now it is showing error. Why it is showing error? Because in this protected, this is the previous token, right? This is the previous token. Now we need to get a new token. All right, we need to have new token now. Then only it is going to work. Otherwise, this is a previous token. This previous token only have where it is only have this name. Okay, only have this name attribute. But now here in the main code we have added additionally id and addresses. Okay, we have added additional address and addresses, but in this token this id and addresses is not available, so this token is useless now because we already have changed the code. Okay, so now we need to generate new token, and for generate new token we need to log in again. Okay, let us just log in again. Okay, it is now providing us new token. Just copy it and go to the protection and delete this one and paste it here, save it and send new request. Now here we get what we want, like welcome John Doe, id 12, address second address, and that is what we have sent here, right? Now I hope guys you have understood how to send multiple attribute details uh, along with the JWT token. Okay, so that's it guys, we'll see in the next video and thank you for watching.